are finally done. Sa bahay lang talaga. I think gumagaling na ako sa pag-makeup. Get unready with me. So what I am wearing heels from JB. The bag is from Astrid. It's currently 4:36 p.m. Today is Wednesday, March 11. Gamamadali ako kasi palubog na yung araw. May kailangan akong i-shoot na content. Sabi ko mag-simple makeup lang ako but I ended up doing a full face makeup. Anyway, I need to shoot this top. Pinadala to sa akin ng Jazz PH from TikTok shop. Nagulat ako kasi nag-reach out sila sa akin sa TikTok. Ayun, medyo bago pa kasi ako sa TikTok guys, so hindi ako familiar sa mga ganung bagay. But they sent me this top. Dalawa to actually. I got the black and white. Ito yung black, tas ito yung white. So, ayun, kailangan ko to i-shoot. This is what I am wearing. Wide leg from H&M. And then heels from GB. So, ang atake natin ngayon is, you know, basic clean girl look lang. Anyway guys, I need to film na. I'll be using my phone lang. Time check, it's 5:20 and we are finally done. I-edit ko na lang yun later. I don't know if okay yung mga clips na nakuha ko, pero okay lang yun kasi parang basic fit check or I don't know, aura-aura lang naman yung ginawa ko. So, dahil tapos na tayo, liligpitin ko ang mga kalat ko kasi medyo madami akong nilabas na pants. If you guys want to buy sa kanilang shop, please visit my TikTok. Nandun sa showcase ko. Wow, hindi ko inaakalang darating ako sa point na sasabihin kong nasa showcase ko yung link. Pero yeah, nasa showcase ko yung link. Buy one, take one to guys. And then for me, goods na for its quality, for a 150. And then this quality. Also, nag-film din ako ng Get Ready With Me video sa TikTok din. Sorry guys, puro TikTok muna tayo ngayon kasi tinatry ko talagang i-build yung account ko sa TikTok. Yung mga Get Ready With Me and yung mga ibang vlogs, dun ako nag-upload. Yun lang, mag-aasikaso na ako muna. Guys, I changed into my comfy clothes. And medyo nanghihinayang ako na hindi ako lalabas ng ganito kaganda yung makeup ko. Like, sa bahay lang talaga. Hindi ko to ilalabas. Final na ba? It's 5:36 p.m. na rin and I'm gonna stay at home looking like this. So, I'm gonna edit yung content na ginawa ko for my TikTok para ma-upload ko na rin siya today as much as possible. Same day edit tayo dito. We're gonna edit looking like this. Slay. Gonna start editing na guys. Oh my gosh guys, I think gumagaling na ako sa pag-makeup today because lately, I've been loving my makeup. It's very glowy, simple lang, pero I don't know, I like it. Or I think malaking factor din na ang glowing ng skin natin lately. I've been using the same skincare ever since last year, yung Skin 1004. I feel like ang laking bagay din itong D'Alba Spray Serum look. Paubos na siya. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang set ng makeup ko. Kapag ito yung gamit ko, it's very glowy and dewy. Lately, gusto ko yung mga ganong makeup. I just repurchased yung 100 ml nito. Lagi ko siyang ginagamit, I swear. Anyway, I just finished filming a content for my TikTok. Wait, sobrang init. Bigyan ako ng free sample ng Jazzy PH. Kasabay nun, may binigay din sa akin free sample yung VXN. And yun yung film natin kanina. Dapat, tomorrow pa siya. Kasi gusto ko sana i-film siya outside. Pero na-realize ko na parang dinedelay ko na naman yung pag-film ng content kasi hindi ako nakakalabas. Kasi nga, parang naisip ko ang mahal ng gas, tapos lalabas ako, you know, gagastos and all. So, na-realize ko na sige, dito ako na lang sa condo i-film. Kasi hindi naman mahirap yung deliverables. One TikTok video lang naman. So, ayun, na-film ko na siya kanina. And also, hindi lang yun ang na-film natin kasi nakapag-get ready with me video pa tayo. So, you know, it's my 2026 New Year's resolution na to take content creation seriously. Kasi last year, hindi tayo nakakapag-upload consistently sa YouTube and hindi rin naman ako ganun ka-active sa TikTok. Right now, since we're unemployed and wala naman tayong ibang pagkakaabalahan, might as well, let's create content. Something na I love doing. And na-realize ko na yung pag-vlog talaga, yung pagsasalita in front of camera, it is something na na-enjoy kong gawin. Nisipagan ko nung mag-upload ng mga short form videos. So, yun, parang it's a reminder to myself na we have a progress and we're getting there. As long as maging consistent ka lang sa ginagawa mo and you put your passion and to keep pushing and then konti-konti may bumabalik. So, I am very grateful, very, very thankful for you guys for still watching my vlogs kahit na sobrang boring for me sometimes, pero may mga nanonood pa rin. Anyway, ang dami kong sinabi, I need to edit. I am targeting to post it today. Let's see if ma-upload natin siya before 9. Ano, nakaschedule ng 3:30. Hey guys, update. It's 10:20 p.m. Kakatapos ko lang mag-dinner. Nagluto ako ng pork tapa. And thank you naman sa boyfriend ko, no? Kasi siya yung nag-marinate ng tapa na yun. Tapos pinrito ko lang. I am also done uploading yung TikTok video natin for VXN. And right now, mag-e-edit ako ulit. And bago pala tayo mag-edit, I feel like mag-journal muna ako. Guys, update. It's 12:11. Oh my gosh, 12 a.m. na. Tapos ko lang mag-journal and mag-edit ng another content for TikTok. Hindi ko na malayan yung oras, so get unready with me. I just realized na hindi ako nag-film ng unready. Always get ready. Anyway, let's remove my makeup. I am using this Garnier Micellar Cleansing water in oil. Ewan ko kung nakita nyo na to sa mga past vlogs ko, pero I've been using this ever since nung college ako. I really love this micellar water or makeup remover kasi it has oil. Mabilis siyang makabura ng mga waterproof makeup. Kalahating face ko pa lang yung binura ko. This is my face without makeup. This is my bare face. Now, let's wash our face. Okay, we're here in my bathroom. Floss, of course. Floss is done. Let's wash our face. First is this toner. And then my nighttime serum is of course Centella pa din. Same line sila actually. This is the Madagascar Centella Soothing Cream. Anyway, that's my nighttime skincare routine. Hey guys, good afternoon. Today is Sunday, March 15, and it's currently 12:29 p.m. We're going out today. Magsisimba kami ng boyfriend ko sa my BGC. This is what I am wearing. I am vlogging real quick lang kasi yung a-attenda naming mass is at 3 p.m. So, I need to go na. Gonna wear this heels from GB. Okay ba siya? I'm wearing a basic white top lang. This is from Jazzy. Alam nyo guys, kung ba't ako natagalan? Maaga ako nagising, 10 a.m. Pero natagalan ako kasi ni-style ko pa yung hair ko. Dumating yung thermal brush ko and it's my first time na ginamit yun. So, medyo nangapapa ako and this is the result. Okay na to. Wala na akong time ayusin yan kasi nagmamadali na nga tayo. What else? Wallet. And this is the final look, guys. Top is from TikTok Shop, pants is from H&M, heels is from GB, bag is from Astrid, my glasses is from Sonny's, watch is from MK, rings from Imono. And that's our outfit for today. See you later! Ganda ba? Ganda. Okay, babalikan ko to after 2 weeks. Pag wala kang ibang nakita, ibig sabihin, we are meant to be. Okay? Let's go.
Does it feel like we belong?